Olde Fortran, a cocktail tribute to Bender, from Futurama, the booze-powered, cigar-chomping, foul-mouthed bending unit who literally runs on alcohol. Gunmetal gray with a warm amber fuel core. Aggressively boozy, smoky, and with zero delicacy. 40% bourbon, 40% smoke, 40% attitude. It doesn't add up. That's correct. Let's make it. 6 elements: bourbon or rye, a malty amber ale or a splash of stout, mezcal, fernet, demerara syrup, and 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. Bender would reject anything weaker. 1.5 ounces of bourbon, or rye if you want more spice. This is the fuel. Bender literally runs on alcohol, and sobering up gives him the shakes. Then 3/4 ounce of malty amber ale, or a splash of stout. That's the nod to Olde Fortran, his malt liquor of choice. Aggressively spirit forward, because Bender would reject anything weaker. 1/2 ounce of mezcal, his permanent cigar, smoke woven through the whole drink, plus an industrial mineral quality, because Bender is a machine. Then 1/4 ounce of fernet, that menthol mineral machine oil bitterness that reads as, "This drink is partly made of metal, fitting for a literal robot." 1/2 ounce of demerara syrup, dark, raw, industrial sweetness. Engine grease, made palatable, and 2 dashes of aromatic bitters to tie the machine together. This is a serious, spirit-forward sipper that does not apologize, built for something that runs on alcohol. Smoke cap a rocks glass, trap a little wood chip smoke under it, or just rinse it with mezcal and dump it out. Rim it with gunmetal luster dust, his shiny metal body. Drop in 1 big clear ice cube. Add the bourbon, the malty ale, mezcal, fernet, demerara, and bitters to a mixing glass with ice. Stir for 30 seconds. Bender stirs like he's flipping you off in slow motion. Strain over the big cube, dark amber, hazy with smoke. Stand a bent metal straw up like his antenna. Strong, smoky, bitter, and boozy, a bourbon rye backbone, mezcal smoke, fernet's metallic bite, and dark demerara holding it all together. It does not apologize. Want it even more, Bender? Make it a double. He'd want a double. Bite my shiny metal ass. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.